And today, I'll share with you the methods. It's very simple to help us can rejuvenate the skin at home. If you just do this method is 5 minutes a day. It could be the skin that we can, younger than 3 to 5 years old. Remember, but you have to do it every day. Every day. So what are these methods? A lot of people we think we want to rejuvenate the skin. Right? We're going to need methods like we're replenishing nutrients, we apply cream, then we do a lot of things. The effect on the surface of the skin. It will have one thing. That's the product. It's going to get to our skin cells, right? Or not. Whether it's going to reach our skin cells, and how does it go? That's an answer to our question. Then all the stuff, the nutrients that we are replenishing to the body, we all place supplement for our skin daily. It will be give our skin through you. Lymphatic tract, that's our vascular systems. And what if is what the circuit system does? The blood is delayed. Then yes, well, it will make the process that provides nutrition. It's going to get worse. Because of that, it's one of the ways we can help. We're getting healthier. Skin rejuvenation more. It's about providing nutrients. By passing through well, it's going to have to be ventilated. So that's one of the things inside. What's in this video? I'm going to share with you that we use the movement massage daily massage to do SAO. Make it clear to our lymphatic system. So here we'll see the entire lymphatic system in our face. Right, the blood vessels. We're going to feed it on top of the head. Our ancient faces, and especially the parts. It's on our faces, as well as something that nurtures us. These are the cells on our skin. Well, with the movements, what we're going to do. For ventilation, the white system. This blood will help that our skin will be provided with nutrients, oxygen supplements and more. A source of nutrition will make our skin more rejuvenated. Well, in principle, to do what it's going to do, you can do that. So here in this video, we're going to use cool movements. It's based on some principles. The first is that we're going to use a warm temperature. It's the warm temperature. It'll cause the capillaries to dilate, and it'll be in circulation, and it'll be better. The second one is that we're going to use mechanical impact with massage movement. It'll restrict blockages in the walls of the vessels. Like these with massages. We'll make it circulate. It's our blood. And what's the third thing? And with the movements on the surface, our hands are massaged. It's going to stimulate the nerve endings. And from what it does to the nerve endings, it will help for collagen. It will be proliferated. It is also one of the things that makes help us can be more skin rejuvenation. Since then, we've known the principle. That's it. So now we're going to start in the movements. To do SAO, help us can be more rejuvenated skin. Yeah. You just need to do these moves, about the size, 5 minutes a day. 5 minutes a day. It can be helpful. We can be, that's a lot younger. The first move is that we're going to need to warm up all of our faces. Guys, this move, we can be done right after we wake up. I'm sitting in bed. Maybe we can just do it. Or when we are. Take care of yourself before we go to bed. We can also do it. You're going to use your hands and we're going to scrub, rubbing together. We'll rub our hands together. To make SAO, let it create the temperature on both hands. We are especially into the R part. The tissue in the air of our hand. After that, we scrub like this. You can put pressure on our eyes. We'll have a warm feeling in the whole area. Our face. And then we go ahead and we do it again like this. And we can just rub it all over the face like this. It's very simple. These movements are very simple. So that you can follow. And with these methods, it's going to make the whole of facial area. We will be warmed up. And that's one of the things that makes it so. We become relaxed and blood vessels. It's going to be stretched so that the thing that circulates is going to be. We can do this for about 20 to 30 seconds. It's on our faces. That's the first step. We need to do. It's like a warm-up. We're on our faces, right? After the start of us. Let's start with the steps that we take. There are movements where we can be massages to make circulation on the blood vessels, the lymphatic system on our surface. So the second movement, it's going to start from the front. We'll go to the forehead first. We will look. Imagine that all the blood vessels. Come on. This is our entire frontal area. So what we're going to do is, we'll massage from the inside out. Are we going to use it? 4 fingers of the finger, right? We'll touch and we'll massage from the inside out. Like this. We're definitely not going to be pushed inside. Because when we push in like this, it'll create a crease in the middle. When we pull like this will limit the situation, our wrinkles. In this area of the forehead, we're going to pull out the sides. Also 20 to 30 seconds. We'll pull out on both sides. And when it comes to the recesses of the sun, we have a grave hair. And when we press in here, it'll help us feel relaxed. It's also easier to sleep. In this area, it is to solve us the problem of headaches. After that, we're going to go into the area. It's from the forehead, right? We could be next. The movement that we're doing around the ear. Let's imagine this from eyes forehead. And we go around the ear. We're going to go around the ear. Follow the parts of our lymphatic system. We'll go from eyes forehead. And we're going to go around our ears. Let's make it about 20 to 30 seconds. Then we're going to go into our neck region. We'll go to the neck and we'll see the whole lymphatic system goes down. Is this right? So when we go in this ancient region, we will meet. Well, there's a problem. If we go down from here, then it's probably going to sag all those wrinkles under our necks. So for the neck, we're going to go below. We're going to go up like this. You can use the tissue of your fingers. This is so we can be massagers. Pull it up here. It's going the same way as its lymphatic system. So we're going to pull up like this. We massage from the world up. But we shouldn't. It goes from top to bottom because it's risky. Going to sag our neck. So that's the movement that we're going to have the third movement. We are the first. First, we warm up the face, right? The second move is that we're going to go from eyes forward. Third movement, we're going to go around the ear. And the fourth is that we're going to go from the bottom up. Imagine it. 4 movements. And we're going to go through some of these movements. We're going to have to wait for the screen to open. Now we're going to have moves that we're going to go around the face. Well, the movements around the face are right here. We will see that this area. But in this area, we're absolutely not the top down. It will make our skin. We'll be sagging that we'll go from the bottom up. We go from the bottom up and we go around inside the pimple. This knows we. And massaging around the eyes, we're going to go like this. Go like this, going like this. As you can imagine, we're going up from down here. And round eye, we massage around our eyes. Do 20 to 30 seconds. And we'll have one more movement. And finally, the movement massage this forehead area. In the position, we also have a lot of these, and the blood vessels will go straight in the middle of the forehead. Here's a slanted view, so we won't see it. We'll have blood vessels here. Hey, we already have this go up move, right? And now we're going to have we're going to go up like this. Do this for 20 to 30 seconds. That's our 6 moves. To make the essay that it makes it breathable, then after that we're done. Like this, we can follow a movement that, as a whole. For example, you're going to go from here out like this, round up. We will have one. From beginning to end, right? If only when we get used to it. Or we'll do it in 6 steps. We're going out like this. That's the 6 steps we've been doing since. Right, go out, down and up and into our cheeks. It's actually us. Well, just understand it like this. It will do the same. All those vascular systems. It will be massaged. Massage, then it will make the vascular system. It's in circulation. It will be better and provide better nutrients. In fact, these movements, as we get used to them, will feel very competent. For starters, you're going to do exactly 5 or 6 steps. It'll warm the whole face. We'll go. Go down and look around. And start going up like this. So that's 6 moves. It could be helping our vascular system. Will be circulated, and after that, we're done. 6 steps like that, and there's one more step to stimulate the nerve endings. It's on the surface of our skin. What? The thing that we massage like. This will also help. The thing that stimulates the nerve endings. It's amazing, but we'll have moves. We call it touch. We'll use the top 10 fingers like this. We're going to touch the areas that we've massaged. Was that right before? And then we're going to do it all over the place. Massage before, then we will do as. This will also help with the job. Well, the nerve endings are on the skin cells. We will be stimulated. And from there, it's going to help collagen. It will be better proliferated. So that's 6 steps. To help us, you have a much younger looking skin. If you do these steps, 5 minutes a day, 5 minutes a day, 5 minutes, 5 minutes a day. You do it constantly, continuously for 20 weeks. Sure, with your skin, we're going to be young from 3 to 5. I'm sure with you what that is. If there are any questions, you can also comment down here. Dr. NGOC will guide for you to answer for you. You can watch the videos again so that we can practice. Every time we. Yes, you can share your personal page or share somewhere so that when we practice, maybe we can watch this video again. It will help you to take the right steps. I hope you just need these simple steps. It could be help. Your skin becomes much younger. And it doesn't have to cost anything. I'll see you in the videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will update you with the latest knowledge every day. Bye bye.